Hello friends and welcome back. If this is your first time here to my channel, my name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you decided to spend a few minutes with me today. This video is really just kind of like a hodgepodge of things. I wasn't in the greatest of moods on this day, just to be completely honest with you guys, and I had no real intentions on filming or doing a video, but I really needed to do something to kind of get my mind off of things and to keep me busy. So I decided to go once again through some of my clothes and do some more decluttering. I know you guys are probably like, Mandy, after that last one, how do you have any clothes left? But I really do have a lot of things, and as I've said before, t-shirts are my biggest weakness. I cannot remember who it was that said this, but at one point I was watching somebody declutter some things and it was like, you know what, take a picture of it if you really want to keep that memory. You know, you don't have to hang on to things all the time, and I'm just really bad about that. Like, I've got a ton of race t-shirts, and for some reason in my mind I'm like, well, if I don't have the t-shirt, then how do I know that I did it? And you know, little things like this that we got done, Ruben and I, when we've gone on vacation, it's just hard for me to get rid of some things like that. But I really do need to make some room in my drawers. I was noticing as I was doing laundry that I was running out of space once again, so this was definitely needed. So I decided to go ahead and sit down and tackle it. So here in a second you'll see that I'm in different clothes and my hair is up, and that's because I originally started this video earlier on in the evening, but Ruben's sister came and she knew that I was having a bad day, so she came to hang out and I forced her into being in the video because we were sitting there talking and I was like, look, I'm going to film this video with or without you. So she stayed and hung out with me, which I really appreciate. You know, she really had some kind words and helped me through the evening, so I really appreciate that. But another thing that I have issues with are pajamas, and you guys know I would live in my pajamas if I could, but there are some that I really needed to get rid of. They just didn't fit anymore, or I had worn them so much that they've gone through the washer and dryer way too many times, and I just needed to go ahead and pass them on. So don't worry, all of these things that I have gotten rid of, they are going to go to the Goodwill or to another charity. So I'm going to go through the rest of the drawers here in my dresser, and then I'm going to move on into my bedroom. I do have 2 or 3 drawers in there that have like some night clothes and t-shirts and things like that. I'm going to go through all those as well, including my nightstand, like that top drawer. It's like a bedroom junk drawer. I know I'm not the only one. Let me know in the comments that yours is just as bad as mine, so I will feel just a little bit better. But I'm going to go through that as well, and then I'm just going to do a quick evening cleanup in the kitchen, living room, and bathroom.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low-key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading, why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me, I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now, I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough, I've lost you.
So as you can see, I got all of my t-shirts down to 1 drawer, which is amazing because I honestly used to have 2.5 drawers of t-shirts, but I got it down to 1 drawer. I actually even have one whole completely drawer that is empty. So now I have room for anything else. I've got my jeans that are all nice in there. That actually used to be a drawer and a half as well, but I went through a whole bunch. You guys saw that huge pile of jeans that I got rid of last time, and then in this drawer I just have like my cozy pants and things like that, so everything in there looks so much better. Now I'm going to move on into the drawers in the bedroom and go through a lot of those night clothes and shorts.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, there's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you, I keep on looking for you.
You guys, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I had some things in those drawers that I had not even looked at or seen in probably like 2 years. And I know I just went through these drawers. I don't understand how the stuff gets in there like that. But I got all of that cleaned out, and now I'm going to tackle this. This is embarrassing. Like, there is so much stuff in here. I literally had a stack of like junk mail that was 4 inches thick. I have a silk bonnet in there that I had originally wanted to get to start wearing at night because I don't have a silk pillowcase, which I probably do. And I kind of, I think that my hair would probably do a lot better if I either wore that like I bought it for, or had a silk pillowcase. If you guys have a silk pillowcase, let me know. It's supposed to be really good for your hair and your face, and my hair has such bad breakage. I was like trying to do anything to help it. But I also found these really sweet little notes that Ruben had left me all throughout the house one time. Either he had gone out of town or I had gone out of town. I don't remember, but I found them in there, and of course I was going to keep those. It was just a plethora of crap in here. Like, I don't Do you remember that show, Let's Make a Deal? Like, if I could take this drawer with me to that show, hands down, I would win. Like, at the end of the show where he calls on people and he's like, do you have a paper clip or a matchbook in your purse? Yes, I've got that. I've got it all right here in this drawer. I've got jewelry that's like all knotted up. All of the hair ties that went away to dye somewhere, this is where they were. Like, look at all this crap in here. It's insane. But I got all of it cleaned out, and I took my vacuum, made sure I got all of the little crumbs and hair and nasties out of there, and then I went ahead and just piled the things back in there that I actually kept, which is hardly nothing. And to be honest with you, now that I look at it, it looks almost like I don't know how to say this without anyone taking offense to it, but it almost looks just like an old lady drawer. Like, I have my reading glasses, my contacts, my silk bonnet, my tissues, and my muscle cream in here. It's a hot mess. I mean, this drawer is literally the epitome of my life right now. Like, I can't make this stuff up. This is what it is. But it looks so much better, doesn't it? I mean, it looks so much better. There's nothing else I can say. But we're going to go ahead and tackle the rest of the mess. And look at this stack of clothes. I feel so good about being able to donate that. That's a lot of clothes. But we're going to go ahead and clean up the living room now. And you guys know, if you've been here before, everything on my channel is as raw and real as it can be. And you'll see that here in just a second, because it was, getting around, I don't know, maybe 8 o'clock in the evening, and Bodie decided he was going to have a little date night with his blanket. We call that his girlfriend. And you know what? Honestly, that is the only thing that he does that to is his blankets. And now you see why I just throw them away like every couple weeks. Yeah, but so apparently I wasn't the only one in the house that needed to get some stress and tension out. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and keep on cleaning in here, keep chugging along, and then I will quickly move on over to the kitchen.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah. No stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah.
so now I've just went ahead and moved on into the bathroom, and really all I wanted to do was tidy up in here and get things put away, wipe my sink down, and of course get my toilet paper stocked. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was just an impromptu video and I just needed it in my soul. I just needed to kind of get away and get these things done, and I wanted to film for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, I would love for you to become a part of my YouTube family, so make sure you hit that button before you leave, and also click that notification bell. That way you know each and every time I upload a new video. But for now, I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Dry your eyes. I'm not even worried, but I can hear the sigh.